Okay, so I'm sitting in front of Burger King at McDonald's parking lot. There is a recycling truck in the lot with no one in it at all. It's been about there for 5 minutes or so. And the truck is completely on with the keys in the truck and everything. Oh man, I'm pretty sure if anybody wanted to do something crazy, they can just jump in that truck and take off. Nobody around. Let's see how long it takes. I think they're in Burger King. Probably get something to eat, but still. Should turn it off and take the keys.
And actually park it.
Yeah, and then actually park in a parking spot. Yeah, just sitting in front of the middle of it, just not doing anything at all. And that's awesome because there's nobody in there. I can just jump in there if I wanted to, but you don't. But this is the shit right here. City of Philadelphia, y'all. Damn truck is completely on. I ain't saying they're not here to do the trash.
And for some odd reason, they have the windshield wipers on.
The windows are all down, wipers are on, hazards are on. And like I said, they ain't doing no trash or recycling out here. We're coming up on now 2 minutes. More than enough time for anybody to do anything with that truck. And them guys probably would have no clue whatsoever. Fucking ridiculous. It's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. And that truck can do some damage, though.
And you notice at least 2 of them in that truck, because
I should show my damn neighbor. Ain't he like the head of the streets department?
yeah, he's manager.
Yeah, I should talk to him about that.
095256.
You can see it. You can see it. I can see it from here.
But just because you can
I'm
see
not even zoomed in. No, I'm talking about on here.
Oh, okay.
I'm not even zoomed in. I can see it. And then, you know, for 9/11 to be just yesterday, you would think that they would think about the safety of our country, or be remembered or reminded that it's because they probably live in a false world. Man. Already 4 minutes now that I've been just recording.
Just recording, so it's been a total of 9 minutes so far.
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes.
I think my boy coming right now. Yep. Well, coming up right now. Oh man. Oh, this will be going until